Please be advised of the disclaimers.
Hey, welcome back to my channel everyone. This is Sai with Pinnacle Trading here. So today I want to do a recap of my month of day trading, actually a little bit more of a month on day trading, but I figured I'd pull up an April statement from my broker and pull up a statement on to see my results and share with you what I learned from a month of day trading. So if you're new to my channel, I do a lot of videos on trading, investing, how to invest your money in the markets, etc. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So I closed out my April statement with 19 out of 21 winning days, and that is about 90%, a little bit over 90% return rate, or 90% win rate. So 19 out of 21 winning days. So I only had about 2 losing days in April. Any days that you see without the red are the winning days. Obviously the ones with the zeros, those are going to be the weekends, so no trading days on those because markets are closed. Anything in the red are losing days, remaining are winning days. So I had 19 out of 21 winning days, and any days where I didn't follow my rules, I obviously paid the price, not just price wise, but also mental stress, and also just not following my trade risk management, and that's where I paid the price. So that took out a lot of the gains from the previous days, but I was able to make it up and ended the month in the green. So that is my broker statement from April. So April 1st to April 30th, those are my every day, and I share my profit loss every single day. So this is a day, just an example. Last week I was green for every single day, 5 out of 5 days. So this is from Friday. I had a solid day with Tesla and Boeing and another trade on SPY. So what I wanted to share from this one was I shared in my goals and dreams that I was able to achieve this, not just from education, but also sticking to this day and night. This quarantine has allowed me to, really focus on day trading. That's something I always wanted to do as a trader and focus on that strictly because, right now all from work, so I can focus on that. So that's always been a challenge for me, but right now I'm finally seeing solid results, not just money wise, but just seeing consistency. That's the big thing. So I want to go over 3 rules that you want to follow. First thing is to get educated. So whether it's from my course that I offer, that's pinnacletrading.us, head over to my website and you can see what I offer on the course. So this is everything the course offers. So the one thing you want to do is get your proper education. Without education, just like a degree for a job to become a doctor, you have to go through a lot of studying, training. Without any proper education, you're really not going to get anywhere, and you're just going to be like the 90% or 97% of people that think it's just gambling and don't really understand it. So you want to get your education straight with day trading and practice for 3 to 6 months. Paper trade, just study the markets, just see how you do a fake account and then go live from there once you're consistently profitable. So I offer a course to you, and I'll give you a 25% off of this one. All you have to do is message me in the chat room and we'll go over that next. Whether it's my education, my course, or any other educations, YouTube videos, books, videos, seminars, or if you're learning from a professional Wall Street trader, get your education straight. So next thing, once you get your education straight, obviously join the chat room. Link is in the description. I do day trading live every single morning. So once I was off from work with the COVID-19 coronavirus, everything, I started going live with the day trading. I was able to focus on that, so I took advantage of that. So I do my live voice chat every morning. All you have to do is click on the voice chat room, click on the live trading tab to join, and I call out all my trades right here in the bold. So I took SPY long, I added, I exited. I'll call it out on the voice. I'll also type it in as well. If I'm not on the voice day, I'll do it in trade alerts. But from end of March or so, I've been on every single day, haven't missed a day of day trading. And you can see that from my broker statement as well. So we call that live day trade alerts. Usually I'll call them out majority of the time, and we'll have other options alerts. I'll call that by the other admin members. So I do a lot of the live trading, and you can also see my winning trades. I post my profit loss every single day, so you can see every single day I've been green for last week. I had just 1 or 2 losing days in April. So that's it. You can join the chat room, have the trades that I call out, you can follow along with me, or if you just want to learn, see how it goes with my course, I can correlate that with that. So that's one thing. You want to get your education straight, follow a mentor. That's going to be a second one. You can follow me, or you can follow anyone else that you believe is solid with day trading. So you want to see someone with results. So, and then the third thing is going to be getting funded, obviously. So that I have in my website as well. Click on a Get Funded tab, and I day trade with a firm called TradeNet, and they have been very solid for me. I've used them for past 1 to 2 years, and just read through the paragraph right here, and these are the programs available. So these are the funded accounts that you can receive, and if you click on the Get Started tab, it will take you over there. So just go through this funded section, and if you're having trouble funding an account, for US traders, you need at least 25,000 minimum to day trade, get over the day trading rule. So if that's something you're facing, you can always get through that. And then third and then fourth is going to be, you want to really follow risk management. What I mean by that is you want to have set rules. So if you want to go over those rules, I did talk about them in my video right here, is day trading profitable, and I shared 4 solid tips, very easy, simple tips that you can follow to become a consistently profitable day trader. That doesn't mean that you're going to get rich overnight. I'm focusing on consistency, not just the money. The money will come once you are a consistent, profitable trader, and you can hit those trades back to back, winning days, and you know what you're doing. You're following our risk management. So just a quick recap. 1, you want to get your education straight. You can do that by getting my course, my 25% off. Just send me a message, or you can watch YouTube videos that I have, or read books, go to seminars, learn from a trader itself. Next, you want to get funded. So you can click on the Get Funded tab, and you can go through this program. And if you can prove yourself, you can also get one of the intro account for free. So if you have questions on that, just send me a message in the chat room. And then, next you want to join the chat room itself. You can follow along, be part of a community of traders, or have a group of traders that you can communicate with. So we have a lot of people in our chat room. In the general chat, we go over a lot of things with stocks, just talk normally, etc., and see what's going on in the economy. We have a lot of trade alerts, and I do live trading in the voice chat room every single morning. And next, you want to get your funding straight. And third, you want to put some rules down. And then fourth, you want to have proper risk management. So those are my rules for day trading, and that's what I learned. Notice how one thing that I didn't mention is the money. So obviously total I made about $897, closer to $900 in the month of trading. So I didn't go over that until now. And there's a big reason why. It's because I focused on the consistency. I didn't really care about the money. The money will come once you are a consistent trader, just like anything else in life. You can't chase money, you can't chase something. You want to look at the process, and then the results will come. Don't look for results, just trust the process. So you can see every single day been profitable. My goal was about 100 to 200. It's tough to have those goals and hit them every day, but I've been pretty consistent with that. And any day where I didn't follow my risk management rules, which was April 15th right there, luckily the stock came back and I was able to cut losses very minimal. But on this day, that was really bad. It wiped out a lot of profits from my about a week or two, 1 to 2 weeks of profit, but I was able to make it back later on. I stuck to my plan, and that was last week right there. Every single day green. So that's the most important thing. If you want to read my recap, you can read what I posted right here as well. So that's my tips for you for day trading. I recommend watching this video as well as Day Trading Profitable. 4 tips that I go over. But I wanted to keep this video brief and just show you what I learned from day trading itself. So if you have any questions or you want to ask me about day trading, or you want to become a professional day trader, and you want to move away from a job and do this full time, just send me a message if you have any questions. And also you can join the chat room by heading over to pinnacletrading.us and scrolling down and clicking that button. Chat room is completely free. You don't need to pay for anything to join a chat room. It's free. I call these live alerts every morning for free as well. If you want to grab the course, send me a message for a 25% discount. And you can also join the chat room using the link in the description. So I'll put that down in the video. Make sure to leave a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. Hope this one helped you out if you're looking to get into day trading, or just follow along with my process if you're interested in that. So let me know what you think of the video. Leave your comments below. Take care.